Hey everybody, I'm Bryan Brozy, doctor of physical therapy, personal trainer, B.Well Physical Therapy and Wellness, and co-host of the Wellman's podcast. Today, I'm going to talk about one of my favorite exercises, the band pull apart. This is great to start getting scapular retraction in, so retracting those shoulder blades down and back, as well as external rotation if we do it palm up. So I've had people do this exercise palm down and palm up. With palm up, we get to utilize more external rotation, which is something most human beings today want to incorporate because we tend to be so internally rotated during our day-to-day lives and different activities that we're doing, like typing on the computer. So the band pull apart, I'm going to demonstrate here. I'm going to first demonstrate it in kind of this kneeling position. You can of course do it standing, and there are many variations to do this. But I got the band in my hands, underhand. I'm going to extend my arms out, try and relax my upper traps, so let those shoulders drop from my ears. I'm going to grab the band, squeeze my shoulder blades down and back, and that's what's going to bring the band across my chest. And I can feel the squeezing of my shoulder blades down and back, and slowly return to the starting position. I'm going to do 3. I'll reset those upper traps. So from the back, what you should notice, if you can see my finger here, it's almost like I'm trying to pinch my finger with each one of these band pull parts as I open up behind me. Now I do recommend quite often that we start supine and start on the floor with our exercises because it helps facilitate relaxation and can help us become a little bit more in tune with the muscles when we don't have gravity recruiting other muscles to maintain the position. So if we start in supine, we perform the exercise just the same. Bent knees, straight legs, whichever is most comfortable for you. Palms are up because we really do want to drive that external rotation. The band is essentially directly over my chest or right over nipple level for me. I'm going to open up, squeeze my shoulder blades down and back, feel that squeeze, and control the eccentric portion of the movement coming back to the starting position. Squeeze my shoulder blades down and back together, open up, control the return to the starting position. Each time, I want to take a second to make sure I've relaxed my upper traps down and back. I don't want my upper traps to be too involved, which is another great reason why we should start supine, because when we end up here, our upper traps have to work a little bit more, obviously, to deal with gravity. So it's a great idea to start supine, underhand band pull apart, opening up across the chest, making sure you're bringing the band to you, not meeting the band. So we want this versus this, right? That's the band pull apart. Again, we're really working on scapular retraction, working on the rhomboids, the middle trapezius, the lower trapezius, and all these good, important muscles that help stabilize your shoulder and your shoulder blade.